Welcome to PFTV. Ngiphethe beekeeper. Beekeeper 3-3 draw. And then abafana baluza kuma penalty. Overall game ibone kanjani?
No engakusho mfethu ukuthi abafana basiphila isandla. Okunye bese kuyingalo yonke. For me I'm very happy. And ngiyakhuthaza ukuthi ababraya baqhubeke bebraya. Khuluma mina ibeekeeper. Ayikho into emoshakele. Mfethu sifunda ngamaphutha. Cabanga iphutha esilenzile ukudedela labantu besishaya etrinili away. So size la vele sine pressure. But anyway abafana basithathe basibeke endaweni. Ama penalty mfethu. Even ungalanda uAbraham ezulwini angafika igeje. You understand? Yeah, so for now angibelievele ekukhombeni ama player ukuthi seso too hot or umbuthuma no. Noma ubani angageja mfethu. So abafana badlalile mfethu from minutes number 1 up until egcineni. So I think isingamabhakaneya akekho khalayo bafethu. Sijabulile and yasibonisa lento ukuthi kulamanye ama-cup like njenge league yini kwekhaling lokho. Lokho sesikuthathile lokho, you understand? Yeah, ayikho i-team ezosivimba mfethu kulento engiyibone la. Hayi mfethu i-team yethu imnandi bafethu. Hayi kodwa uApolice bafethu. Gazi le out ile
10 tepolo one.
Le out mfethu inemlenzi ngathi ithe kuba upetenyana. Hayi elikufishana. Hayi amabhane bafethu adlalile. Angaze ngi-enjoyele ilose njengale. Yeah, yilose ngokubhalwa phansi. Yeah, but ngendlelathi thina besikhona phakathi asazi umuntu kade eyibuka la kayibu thina besikhona esigodini si happy bafethu inyembezi into esingenayo by the way ikusasa sinalo bafethu team yethu inhle kakhulu coach my coach usafe ndodende isafe kakhulu coach wethu yonke into ihamba kahle shilo sakusaseka.
And then beekeeper I know you said Uti we can't play mama player but surely we can play Murevri. I mean that first I think it was in 5 minutes. Akasinika penalty throughout the game. Every decision went against us. Urevri yena ungamrate kanjani?
Yeah, la Africa ziyabuya mfethu when it come to endabeni zabo referee but ngiblame ureferee ngiblame nalabo bathini official. Yini umsebenzi wabo kanti? Kwaku 40 yini 40 what? Official. Yini umsebenzi wayo because ureferee bayambona ukuthi uyabheka. Lapha bafethu sidliwe oreferee le bazosidla khona la. And ngibonge mfethu ngibonge abalandeli bebhakaniya more especially kade bekhona eOrlando. Ba behavior mfethu. Yeah, and the way ureferee kadenza ngakhona bengeke ngiwasola amabhakaniya ayizongena estadium amoshe. But into engingayisho kubo obaba umtsipe because yiba abalapha lezi zinto zo Africa wathwathi. Abasilungisela indaba yo referee because next time this thing izokwenza kube nomonakala estadium bese kuthiwa abalandeli bePirates banje kanti amabhakani ayawasukela urefu usukele mfethu you understand.
And then who was your man of the match today?
Obvious Police. Obvious mfethu umnandi umjita uyadlala umjita mfethu siyambonga bathi biza amaphoyisa. Stop kabya.
Thanks keeper.